Hello everyone, I am Dmitry Gerasimov, lead of Cellframe project, and here is our regular AMA session, and here we'll start from questions that you have sent us before. And the first one, will the M token limit be added to the master nodes with the update to Node 5.3? If so, what will it be? About limits, it does not relay with any node release, so if we will add this limit, and we are planning to add it, it will not depend from node release. So the next question. After it became possible for the owners of M tokens to block them in other people's master nodes, what will be the distribution of rewards among all participants? It depends from your deal with stake owner, between stake owner and masternode owner. Because when you delegate your M tokens, you can set a mandatory fee in the transaction and order as well. So the masternode owner must send you pointed part of his reward to stake owner. That's only the thing that regulates the distribution of rewards among all participants, nothing more. If this market mechanism will not work, we'll think about limitation, but for now it just depends from your deal between stake owner and masternode owner. The next question. Will the owner of the masternode receive additional income from the delegates? As I said before, it depends from deal between stake owner and masternode owner. No any additional income, it's not planned. The next question. Can you share details about EVM compatible project mentioned in the Cellframe roadmap? Before we were planning to run our own EVM compatibility layer. However, we were wondering about some startuppers that would like to make it by himself, and such startuppers arrived and run QVM project. QVM, it's a parachain that will be able to run Ethereum compatible smart contracts. That's all details that I have. If you want to some more details, better to ask QVM lead Jan Smith. The next question. There is no information about web wallet in the Cellframe roadmap. Does the team plan to implement a web wallet as part of the project? If nobody will run it by himself, by the way, I wonder as well if somebody just will do it. We'll do it by ourselves, and we just waiting when our web team will have some free resources. That's why it doesn't include in our roadmap, because the roadmap mostly about our backend team, our desktop application team, middleware group. So this all web development is goes in parallel with our other projects. That's why we doesn't include in roadmap, but maybe we should. So I think we'll wait maybe 1 month or so, and if nobody will start a web wallet by himself, we'll do it by ourselves. It shouldn't take a lot of time. Mostly we're waiting for a new 5.3 release that will include extended JSON RPC protocol for such things, and then we'll do it. Next question. Will it be possible to use the Cellframe Web3 wallet for trading in native DEX, or do you necessarily need a Cellframe dashboard for this? We are planning to run Cellframe DEX Web3 version. So yes, it will not be mandatory to use Cellframe dashboard for trading. Next question. Are there plans to run a masternode on Windows via Cellframe dashboard after the release of Node 5.3? ever right now, ever with current version of Node, you are able to run Masternode on Windows via Cellframe dashboard. It just has no UI. So we are waiting not for Node 5.3, but we are waiting for the next Cellframe dashboard release that will have an extension for the Masternode. And this will just make easier this. If you are hurry and want to make it right now, you want to run Masternode right now on Windows, it's possible, ever right now. Just without UI, you need to have some experience with configure files edition or maybe with some terminal commands, you know. But it's possible. The next question. Is the launch of Cellframe smart contracts planned for 2025? I think it will be earlier. Jan told me about end of 2024, but 2025 it's for sure. Next question. Are there plans to sell out of the box Node.sys nodes and is expected to happen in 2024? Yes, we are planning and ever in next month, I think. Next question. Will it be possible to run masternodes in Node.sys and .flat parachains? If such are planned, yes, but better to ask for Node.sys and .flat leads. As I know, they are planning this, of course. Next question. Will LP stacking be implemented on the Node.sys platform? Yes, but also better to ask them, not us. Next question. How are preparation for the launch of two-way bridge going? Is the date announced at the previous AMA session still relevant? Really good question. Unfortunately, it shifted on the next month. We were planning to launch it in this month, but you know, it's security audition. This process could take little more time. It will not continue for some unpredictable time frame. Current estimates is the next month, end of this month, so we have shifted date on them 1 month. I can talk for a long time while it happens. Just briefly, we had to combine. We were planning to release 5.3 node as a stable version. And the next version, 5.4, it was planning to have a optimized version, let's say so, with much better performance. However, current performance was really bad and we had to go back to development and implement some features that we're planning for the next release on the current one. It dramatically increases the speed over 5.3, so if you're right now running Masternode on current version, the next version will surprise you. It really works much faster, but it took our on a few steps back. Now we need to review all this new code, and that takes some time. Anyway, we passed really long road. Current version of Cellframe Node is really stable, much more stable than it was 2 months ago. All the critical breaches was patched, so we just how to say it, maybe we are carrying little more that we need, but it's the security issue, so you know. So we have shifted it on the 1 month, on the end of August. That's the current plan. The next question. You recently announced that you will participate in Blockchain Live again this year. Will you be speaker there? Is the purpose of this trip different from the previous one? I will not be a speaker, however, I will be in a jury on a startup pitches, so I will how to say it, I will judge them. No, not judge, just forgot the word. I will evaluate them, maybe better to say. So current purpose a little different. Our previous purpose was more about searching for the new startups in our ecosystem, and we found one, by the way. Current participation will be more focused on this new findings about new startups in this startup pitch. I will try to get them in our ecosystem. Not everyone, just the best one. Okay, it was all questions that you have sent to us before. Let's see what's going on in YouTube channel. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Any plans for a new Cellframe Explorer page? If yes, what we already have Cellframe Explorer, explorer.cellframe.net. Okay, give some update for auction and voting web are ready for future plans. Voting are ready, where they have tested. So after the 5.3 release, we'll bring up a special page for voting. Auction are planning to be relaunched this autumn. Because this autumn are coming new projects in our ecosystem, Node.sys, DotFlat, also QAM, and all these projects, including KelVPN, will participate in auctions that will be relaunched. Okay, the next question. Well, I really love. Thank you for your love, for your support. Cell, but can you please tell your dream of being on top 3% is still alive? Of course. It's not just a dream, it's our target. And also it's realistically possible to be in top 10 crypto also. Everything's possible. I'm with something. Oh, thank you for your long support. I'm really happy to see such long-term holders in our community. Okay. After quantum computers scare everyone. Oh yeah, hello. Okay, nice to see you here. The next question: when Kel will be one? Sorry, I don't know. Okay, one more long-term holders. One more Yen. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Why price is down? It's crypto, and we are between bull run, so it's okay. What is your thoughts having L2 for the network? We don't need any level 2, any layer 2 solutions, because we already have a sharding inside. It's a mostly similar thing, and if we are talking about third generation blockchain, they does not need L2 solutions. Mostly doesn't need. We don't need for sure, but Cellframe SDK is possible to use to build a layer 2 for other networks. It's possible ever right now. The next question: are there other CEX listings planned between now and the end of the year? We are planning, but will it happen? Depends from situation. But if everything will go well, yes. We'll sell more from some Coinbase wallet to the larger CEX Coinbase wallet. Sorry, you might have an NDA on this. Sorry, I don't understand, because we have a lot of centralized exchanges where we are listed, and Coinbase still have not listed us. They listed us in a Coinbase wallet. It's not exchange. For now, biggest centralized exchange is a Bitmart, but it's not the limit. And yes, if any details every time are closed with NDA, so I can share with this just before the few days before the listing. So be ready for this at any moment. Any update of the dashboard? It's coming. Oh, Mika, nice to see you here. Hope you're also doing great. Next question on Windows 11 is recognized as a virus and we cannot download it even without antivirus, the dashboard. It's still not signed with official Microsoft certificate. We are working on this. Hold on. You can just switch off the mandatory signature check on the Windows. It should work. Dmitry, dashboard not work now. Please contact with support center because it's not usual situation. Most of installations that I'm observing, they are working well. When for computations, depends from what you name a fork. If you are talking about just numbers computing, we need to run some more distributed services. So universal for computation, I think we can expect in the beginning of the next year. Hey, any use on the bridge? Sorry, I missed it. Bridge delayed for a month, shifted on the August because of security audition. Okay, I see it was all the questions. Thank you for all your attention, for all your support. Nice to see you here again. We are Cell, we are here. See you next time. Goodbye.